Welcome to today's video. Today I want to provide you with 5 tips I wish I knew as a beginner Doordash driver. Tip number 1, do not accept every order. You will not get banned from the platform, deactivated, whatever you want to call it, from the platform for having a low acceptance rate. Doordash does not deactivate you for having low acceptance rate. I don't accept anything personally under $8. Usually $7.50 means a hidden tip. So I do not accept anything lower than that. Every now and then I'll accept a $7 order. If it's slower, that's my own personal rules. Tip number 2, dos. Find a power strip wherever you DoorDash. Power strip is wherever there's a ton of restaurants on a strip. Find a power strip where you get most of the orders. This will take some time to learn your area, but just stick to tip number 1 while you're learning the area. Once you find your power strip, always dash in that area. Tip number 3, gas. Gas prices are currently going up in the US right now. You need to be using either an app or a credit card just for gas and pay it off every month. I use Get Upside app and it gives me so much cents cash back, and then I put it on a credit card for 5% cash back, and that just compounds, and I pay that off every month just on my gas expense. Be smart about it. Gas is going up. You need to use every which way you can to save money on gas, because if you don't, that'll really eat into your profits at the end of the day. Tip number 4, be willing to drive in inclement weather. Rain, snow, because people coop up in the house when it's not nice, so that's when you're going to make a lot of money, as well as you'll get peak pay, which is DoorDash's incentive for driving during bad weather. And tip number 5, this should go without question, always be aware of your surroundings. I had an incident in one of my videos where a guy looked like he was doing some illegal drugs, and I was the only car in the parking lot, and he kept staring at my car, kept inching his way forward. It was in the middle of one of my previous videos I've uploaded during my ride along. So be aware of your surroundings, stay safe. If you feel uncomfortable, just leave the area. First contact 911. DoorDash is going to help you. Have some means of protecting yourself, whether that be pepper spray, you get what I'm saying, in the case that you need to take immediate action for your own safety. Alright guys, those are my 5 tips for beginners who are starting DoorDash. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to do more of these little tips videos, and my next one will be over Uber Eats. Look out for that video. I also want to do a comparison video between DoorDash versus Uber Eats. Be on the lookout for that video, and I hope to catch you guys later. And all you guys starting DoorDash, do it, man. I've been doing this full time now for a month and a half. I love it. I was doing it on the side while I was working at a crappy factory, wasting away my life. I hated my life, and I got to quit and do DoorDash full time. Please do subscribe and like the video if you got value out of this video. It's your driver Jay, out.